Skip Bedell here on the set of Fox & Friends Morning Show in the heart of New York City. Today I'm talking with my good friends from Four Seasons Sunrooms about their latest innovations in outdoor living. Let's check out what they're best known for, the sunroom. So Richard, this is just amazing. This is like a scaled down version of your full-on sunroom.
You know, 40 years of building these things, hopefully we're at a point now where we kind of have that down, and we have 300 franchises and dealers across North America, Canada, USA, and we also have 2,000 contractors that carry our line of products, so yeah.
The product is amazing, man. I mean, you know, I've really done a lot of research, and I've been to your plant and I've seen your manufacturing operation, and it's really just phenomenal. You have a huge force there that can put these things out in a very short amount of time and a super level of quality. So I'm noticing that the glass, I know that that's really what you're known for, your proprietary glass formulas.
Yeah, I mean, these things have been built from Alaska to Arizona, and there's lots of different kind of formulas involved and lots of technology involved in making that happen, different layers on the glass to make it you know, warmer in the winter, cooler in the summer. You really get the benefit of it 365 days a year.
Yeah, I was going to ask you that because, you know, the first thing what I think of when I see a glass room is like a greenhouse, right? It's going to be like an oven in there. So, I mean, how does it manage to keep the heat out on a hot, sunny day?
There's just lots of different technologies. So wherever you are, there's a different recipe for the glass that makes it work in your specific climate. So if it's in the cold areas, the glass acts differently to if you're in somewhere really, really hot.
So you change up the recipe depending upon where you're installing them. And I know you guys put these things in people's homes across the nation.
Yeah.
So that's pretty impressive right there in itself. And you know, the other thing I think of is not only the greenhouse thing, but when I see a glass room, I'm thinking, I'm going to be up there with a bottle of Windex and paper towels cleaning this thing all the time.
Yeah, listen, people come in and they see us all the time, and this is that. The two questions that you've asked are the two questions that we get asked all the time. Why, you know, is it too hot? And what do I do about cleaning it, right? Yeah. And so this glass comes built in with Stay-cation technology, which means that there's a final layer, a final coating applied to the glass. And then what happens with that is kind of dirt sheets off. Glass itself is, if you look at it in older windows, you can see the ripple effect sometimes.
Right, sure.
And that's because of the way it's manufactured. So you add a clear layer on, and that just sheets off any of the dirt. So a hose pipe over the top, problem solved.
Warm in the winter, cool in the summer, easy to keep clean. The other thing I love about this is that it's so versatile, so many different options, and also that it really adds year-round additional living space to your home without the big expense and all the time it takes to make a full extension onto your house.
Yeah, I mean, one of the big things is conventional construction. There's time, and then there's always hassle and all of these elements. And the great thing about this is not only is it versatile, so there's lots of styles, lots of internal finishes. You can use wood, you can use aluminum, vinyl, whatever you want to put on there, you can use those different finishes.
Totally customizable.
Completely customizable, no cookie cutter approach. And you know, typically the value that you get back by adding one of these to a home is phenomenal. It's a real good return on investment for long term, and it becomes like the most used room in the home.
Everyone says that it's their favorite room in the house,
it's
right?
Coffee in the morning, it's breakfast, and then at night time you're watching the stars through a glass roof. Alternatively solid roof, and you've got like a more traditional kind of what people would consider an addition. And that's where we're kind of moving as a company as well. One of the things we talk about is, you know, why use one of our products versus what you do with the 2x4s, and you know, it's warranty.
Well, don't knock the 2x4s, man. We're still out there building with wood.
And still doing a great job, but there's room for everyone, right? And so, but one of the things is people don't like, you know, who's going to handle the permit? Who's going to handle all of the building codes? Who's going to handle all of these challenges?
You guys do all that.
Soup to nuts. It's
one-stop shop.
Concept to completion.
You know, and I think a lot of people ask me that too as a contractor. I get that all the time. Do you handle the expediting of the permits and with the town and the building? And you know, they don't want to be bothered or have to go through those hassles. So you guys do the whole thing and make it easy. And what's really surprising is just how affordable these products really are.
Yeah, you compare it to conventional. It's, you know,
really
the price is a big difference. And you know, the thing is people will come into us and say, you know, how much does it cost? And the only way to really find out is realistically to have the free estimates that we offer, and that's why we do free designs.
Sure.
Another difference to kind of conventional is almost you're already into it for a lot of money before you even know whether something's truly possible.
Right.
So with what we do, it's kind of free consultations. We come out, we look at a site, do everything properly, and then all the way through, there's one point of contact, one project manager who's going to handle it all for you, so you know it's kind of, there's one person that you're calling. And that's a big benefit.
And what's great about this too, I know, is that once you guys get this design nailed down, you really kind of prefab it at the manufacturing facility. So when they come to your home, they're really putting this thing together in just a matter of days.
Yeah, I mean, you get your foundations done, and then literally these things are 3 to 5 days.
Wow.
And you know, the install's done, ready for finishing.
I mean, think about what it takes to build a full extension. They could be there for months.
Yeah.
You know, so this is really a phenomenal thing and just a great value. You'll be really surprised at just how affordable they actually are. Go onto their website and check it out. Give them a call, get a free consultation. You'll be glad you did. Rich, thanks for talking with me.
Thank you so much. Appreciate it.
See you soon.